I'm Joe Balagtas. I'm a professor of agricultural economics and the director of the Center for Food Demand at Purdue University. In our April survey, we dug into consumers' perception of seed oils. Seed oils are a popular cooking oil. Most Americans have some sort of seed oil in their pantry. That's soybean oil, vegetable oil, corn oil, and so on. For decades, health experts, nutritionists have told us that seed oils, which comprise mostly unsaturated fats, are relatively healthy, a relatively healthy form of fat, especially compared to animal fats, and they lower risk of heart disease. In recent months, seed oils have come under some scrutiny in social media, where influencers are making claims that seed oils may be unhealthy for us. Some food marketers are trying to capitalize on this information, advertising that their food is prepared in animal fat. We used our CFI to dive into consumers' perceptions of seed oils to see if this information is having an influence on behavior. Still, we find consumer perception of seed oils is mostly positive or neutral. About half of our respondents in our survey tell us that seed oils are part of a healthy diet. But there is a minority of consumers that believe otherwise. 9% of respondents in our survey tell us that seed oils are unhealthy. 20% tell us that they're trying to avoid cooking with seed oils at home. That's up from 18% just a year ago. So it appears that the social media campaign is having some small effect on a portion of the American marketplace.